In this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in Israel. This tutorial is specifically tailored for Israel because it will work regardless of the payment method and regardless of the bank account you may have in Israel. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe, and here we go. So to be able to buy cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, you will have to go through an application. So I tested dozens of them, and honestly the best of all is Swissborg. It is a mobile application that you can download directly to your cell phone, and that will allow you to buy and sell all the main cryptocurrencies that you can see. And all this with a super simple to use, very intuitive application, which is one of the platforms that also offers the best cryptocurrency fees, and which has a very high level of security. So for me, this is really my main crypto app that I use to invest in cryptocurrency. I can only recommend it to you 100%, and you will see it is very easy to buy cryptocurrencies on it. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below this YouTube video, either in the description or in the comments. You just have to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected to be able to download the application on your mobile phone. Like this, click on download the application, either on the Apple Store if you are on iPhone, or on the Google Play Store if you are on Android. In addition, by going through this link, you will be able to unlock a U-Tree scratch card in the application, which will allow you to win up to $100 in crypto. So once you have downloaded the app, you just need to click to open it. Registration only takes a few minutes. You will see it is very simple. You just have to fill in this basic information and validate it. Once your account is validated, you will land on the Swissborg homepage like this. The first step to buying our cryptos is to deposit money on Swissborg. To do this, you need to click on the green button at the top right. There will be several ways to transfer money to Swissborg. For example, you can make a bank deposit. It will be free, but it will take 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, if you want your funds instantly, you can do so by paying with your credit or debit card or using Apple Pay or Google Pay. So you simply have to click on the option you prefer, indicate the amount you wish to pay into Swissborg, and then validate the transaction. Once this is done, so you will receive your funds instantly, we will be able to move on to the second step, which is to directly purchase our cryptocurrencies. So we're going to click on the invest option at the bottom right, like this. Then, in the Buy Cryptos option, we will see all the cryptos available for purchase on Swissborg. There are really quite a few. And then we're going to be interested in Bitcoin, so we'll click on it. Then we will click on Buy in green at the bottom like this. We will choose the currency with which we want to buy our cryptos. For example, we have US dollars, but there are many other currencies available depending on the country you live in. Then, you just have to indicate the amount of this currency that you want to transform into Bitcoin, like this. You put on Next. Then you have the very transparent summary of the transaction, including the fees. Please note that Swissborg is one of the platforms that allows you to have the best fees on your crypto exchanges. And in addition, they will guarantee you the best exchange rate to have the most cryptos with each transaction. So that is really a big plus. So to confirm the transaction, you simply have to click on Confirm like this. The transaction is generally done in a few seconds, and there you have it. We have exchanged our dollars for Bitcoin. We have the summary. We click on Finish, and then we can see the number of Bitcoins that we hold in our wallet on Swissborg. So you see it was very simple. After, if you want to do the reverse operation, you just have to click on Exchange in green at the bottom, and then choose the currency in which you wish to exchange your Bitcoins, like this. And simply the same, put the amount you want to exchange and then confirm the transaction. And there you have it. It was as simple as that. Afterwards, you can look at all the other options for investing. There are plenty of things to do on Swissborg. Lots of different cryptocurrency categories. You can set up auto invest to automatically invest, for example, every month a certain amount of your money in Bitcoin or in another cryptocurrency. Honestly, the application is really very complete, so don't hesitate if you have any questions in the comments. It was Gummy, ciao.